Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo matagasngi ka arpo artrik risau kalayo ban Sdang ya katayo lekmen jong ka school kabla aiker tengka recreation week jong snem hajar pusau ya kan ya katayo lekmen jong kisamla pule ha kan ka slem la pli da ka kong WK bla kabadi ka principal jong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School ha ka jing don rangkat kino hikai lembat kisamla pule ha kan ka recreation week na kalyang ka school klap noi ki jing lekai ba pher ka ba kantu pi ka futsal ka basketball ka quiz competition penlong roye ka jingdi ye ki jingbam ki balai phojai
constituencies are there in India. It's 543. And which country is called the land of rivers is Bangladesh, our neighboring country. So now next is the greenhouse. You can choose. BCCI are the controlling authorities for which sports in India and the world. Cricket is the correct answer. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, correct. What is the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid? HCl is correct. Which country is called the land of cake? Cakes. Happy birthday cakes. Wrong. 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 Wrong.